Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Design Hut. Today's topic is t-shirt design. So let's start and make a t-shirt. So how to make a t-shirt? You have to first of all you have to design a name or a typographical logo. Then you have to effect on it, and then you have created t-shirt design. So let's start and make a t-shirt design. So first of all, I'll edit the thumbnail and then I'll go for the t-shirt design. So here the edit section. Sorry, here I will make it t-shirt design. So here, here you can see. Okay, now I am going to change its color. Change its color. Its color will be the red. Will be the red. Then its color also be the right, then its color and also its color, the strap color should be the red. Then I will change its color too, so its color is white, and now I will make it into dark black and out make out of stock. So here you can see how it look like now. Now I think it's look pretty good now. So let's save it. Yes, save it. Then you have to go for the export and export it as PNG format, and also click the use hardboard and export it. Okay, then replace it with the bust. So now I am going to the new. I am going to the new, and you have to take 10 into 10-inch artboard. Then so make it 10 into 10-inch artboard. Okay, so now here I will make the so which now I will create here G double O G A Google CHO CHROM Google Chrome. I make here, you can see Google Chrome, and then I will sorry I will make it 100 100 100 and change this font. Okay, change this font, and now you can see how it look like. Okay, then I will make it I will give here some effect. um Here you can see I give here effect which is round corner. Yes, you can see here, this is the round corner. This is the round corner, you can see here. This is the round corner, and this is the round corner, you can see. So this effect I use. Then I will sorry, I have to select this. Then um, I have to make here drop shadow. Okay, okay. First of all, I made here a round corner. Then I make here a drop shadow. You can see drop shadow. Then then uh, now convert shape. I make here convert shape. So okay. Now sorry, I have to convert shape the ellipse. Sorry. Okay, it's good. Now I'll select this and make it 3D. Make it 3D. Okay. You can see here I make it 3D. Then I can remove it also. Okay. Now I am going for the another thing which is type and I will create it outline. Then I will go for the ungroup ungroup this and now I will change this color with the gradient. I think it should be the great things here. And how it look like. Now I am select this and now go for the stylized and round corner this. You can see now it is round corner how it look. Its stylized is very good. And now I am going for the same thing which is drop shadow. Okay, now how it look like now. Yes, I think it's look pretty good now. So and I will do here another things which is feather. I use feather. Yeah, now how it look like. I think it's look pretty good here. It's look pretty good here. So I will sorry. Here you can see if this is on the white t-shirt then it's glow more and more and if everywhere I think it's glow more and more but black t-shirt it it owned the shine so it's for the white t-shirt then so how it look like now and they see how much effect I use so you can see here I use Gaussian blur and now sorry sorry now I use I use transform it, path it outside of outline, outside of, you can use many things. So, and this is uh, today's t-shirt design, and I will show you the more things on the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you all.